am a qualified nursery nurse, but when I set up this company, I realised there was a lot more to running a company than just being qualified in childcare. It's a team effort, without a shadow of a doubt, and there wouldn't be anything without the staff around me. We've actually had that impact on so many other people's lives, and we've encouraged people to carry on learning even after they've come out of a qualification from school or college, and we've basically enhanced lifelong learning for people. And I've always encouraged people to go the extra mile. And I suppose by being a role model and people being part of my qualification and my training, encouraged people to seek training and allow us to support them, and being able to say to them, look, I've done it, let me help you. I can help you to do this and you can achieve it. If I can achieve it, you can.
She particularly pushes her staff to not just achieve the bare minimum, and she actually is an inspiration to her own staff. She sets an example and sets the bar quite high, and I think you see the benefits for that in the children that attend the nursery, and I think the parents are really pleased about that too.